Eagles fly on the road to victory. Hey, Philly fans, stand up. First off, let's all just look. The team did it. We all did it. We all did it. I brought this cup. I live in Georgia. I brought this cup all the way from New Jersey because I'm like, look, y'all are going to get all the superstition. I had the cup of coffee earlier. I never drink coffee. I went with this. My mother's old beer glass. Went with this. Here's the deal. We, the Eagles, Bird Gang, all of us, bring whatever team you got. KC, Buffalo, come on down. Because you're going to get the #1 defense and probably the #1 offense. Bring it down. Super Bowl, baby!